Understanding Cost Analysis, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of business English with the term cost analysis. Understanding this concept is key in various fields, especially if you are interested in business or finance. So, let's break it down together. Cost analysis is a financial evaluation technique that helps determine the costs of a project or a business operation. In simple terms, it's a way of figuring out if a business decision makes financial sense by comparing costs with benefits. Cost analysis is crucial because it allows businesses to make informed decisions. It's not just about finding the cheapest option, but about understanding the value and the potential return on investment. Smart cost analysis leads to better use of resources and can significantly impact profitability. There are several types of costs to consider in a cost analysis. Fixed costs, expenses that don't change regardless of business activity, like rent or salaries. Variable costs, costs that vary with the level of output, such as materials and labor. Direct costs, expenses directly tied to a project, like manufacturing supplies. Indirect costs, overhead costs that are not directly linked to a specific project, like utilities. To conduct a cost analysis, follow these steps. 1. Identify the purpose of your analysis. 2. List all costs involved, categorizing them as fixed, variable, direct, or indirect. 3. Calculate the total costs. 4. Compare the costs against the expected benefits or returns. Cost analysis isn't just for businesses. Imagine you're deciding whether to buy a coffee machine or to continue buying coffee from a shop. You'll consider the initial cost of the machine, the ongoing costs for supplies, and the benefits of convenience and potential savings over time. We hope this video has shed light on the valuable tool of cost analysis, both in business and in personal decision-making. Keep practicing your English and use these concepts to make wise financial decisions. Until next time, happy learning!